Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's time to go through our Boxycharm box for the month of July. As always, I'm going to be showing you each product one by one and then showing you how I did this look. So if you want to see a rundown of my July Boxycharm box, just a little bit late, not a big deal, and what I thought of each product, my review, my thoughts, then please stay on and keep on watching. Alright, so here is the box with all of the goods. I didn't get a lot of makeup on this one, but I still wanted to go through these products because they were still pretty good and I wanted to share them with you. So as always, I'm gonna go in order of application, and we're starting with skincare and just prepping the skin. And for that, we're gonna be using the first product in our box, and it's the Farmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. So this is according to the description. It's an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. And I really like this cleanser. It has just a nice fresh smell to it, and the only thing that I noticed is that it's a little bit like tough to remove, but then again, you can see I used a whole bunch of it, so you're probably not gonna use as much as I did. But it was a really nice cleanser, not too harsh on the skin, and it did a really good job at cleaning. And I've noticed that I actually really like Farmacy skincare products that I've gotten in past Boxycharms, so that's always good. I'm really enjoying this brand. Then on to the next step, and this is something that I've been really enjoying using. It's been a while since I've gotten eye patches like these ones, and these are the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches, and the marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. Sorry. And like I said, I've been using these most days in the morning before getting ready. I'll just do like my morning cream, then plop these on, wear them a little bit while I make coffee for like 10 minutes, and then move on with my routine. So yeah, they've been nice. It's not like you see dramatic results right off the bat, but they do feel really hydrating on the under eye area, which is always a good thing. And you get plenty of it. You get so many in this little tub, so that's awesome. Okay, so then after that, I moisturized as usual. I'm using the Glow Recipe Soufflè Moisture Cream. I got a couple Boxycharm boxes ago, and it's just lovely. It smells so yummy of bananas, and I just love it. So we're doing that, and then after, we're gonna start applying primer and foundation. And for that, we're going to be diving into the next product. I got some sponges. These are the M2U New York City Makeup Blending Sponge Set. These are a collection of 4 super soft, latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, or creasing. And they are super soft, and I love that there's a bunch of different shapes on there. The pink one is the same one as the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge that I have, and then the blue one is kind of like the Eco Tools that I also love and that I haven't gotten in a while. And then there's your traditional Beauty Blender shape one, and then the last one, which I know Flower Beauty also has a similar shape to that. But I love these sponges. When they say soft, they are super soft, and the first thing that I notice is just how much they expand again, and they're super fluffy and they work super great. So first I went in with the pink one, and that's just to apply my Elemis Super Glow Priming Moisturizer to just add some glow to the skin. Then I'm gonna do my pore filling priming with my Beauty Creations Poreless Face Primer, and I'm just using my fingers for this to really press the product into the pores. And now for foundation, I am doing my combination of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation and my L'Oreal 24 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And again, I'm using the sponges from this box. Now I'm doing concealer using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer and blending it out as usual using that same sponge. Now I'm gonna be doing some cream contouring and blending that in on the sides of the cheeks, the temples, and then the sides of the nose, and then the bottom of the chin too. And once that is all nice and blended out, we're gonna bake. And I was so excited to get this. This is the next product, and it's the Beauty Bakerie Flour Setting Powder. This finely milled oat translucent flour setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. And when they say this powder blurs, it blurs. It's so good. Right off the bat, I noticed the difference, and this is a really good powder, you guys. So again, like it mentions, it's in the shade translucent, and as you can see, I just dunked the sponge to bake underneath the eyes to cut the cheeks, the chin, and then the forehead. And then I went in on top of my cream contour with some powder just to really set that. Then I went in to contour the nose, and when I started to bake the sides of the nose, I realized that there was this awesome sponge on there with a flat edge. It's super handy, and it makes it like super easy to just get a straight line and contour that area. And then I also used that straight edge for the cheeks. Again, it makes it super easy to make that like a straight line to bake that part right there. So while that bakes, we're going to be doing the brows, and as usual, I am using my Covergirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in the shade Rich Brown. And then just because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm gonna cut underneath the brow with some concealer. I've been just really liking doing this step because I can see like how it lifts the brow. It's pretty cool to see, but again, this is just super extra. And all of that baking, you know by now that it's extra steps to your makeup routine and not at all necessary for everyday makeup. And then after that, I'm gonna wipe away the bake. Do some highlighter. And then we're gonna do the eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I know I'm kind of like taking a tangent from the Boxycharm product, so I'm gonna be brief, I promise. So I'm gonna be doing a halo eye today just because I was feeling like it. I don't know, I have been seeing Raw Beauty Christy do it a lot, and I wanted to do something similar. All right, so I'm starting out with a transition shade, something that's close to a bronzer color, and I'm starting on the outer V with a fluffy brush and just blending that out, and then on the inner portion of the top lid to create that halo eye effect. And then you just close that area on the crease. And with our finger, I'm just adding a gold shimmer shade to the very center and blending all of that in. And then you're gonna add some highlight too for the inner corners. And then for the lower lash line, we're just matching the top to the bottom, adding that brown transition shade to the inner portion and outer portions, and then with your finger, adding that shimmer shade to the middle of the lower lash line. Now we're gonna do mascara and falsies off of camera because they were being a pain in the butt. They took me a while to get on, but I got them on, and after that we're gonna move on to the last product on our box, and it's for the lips. It's the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. The description for this product reads, ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. I don't know about the lip line thing. I mean, you can still see mine. But I added it to the top of the lipstick that I had on just to make it really glossy, and honestly it's just a nice clear oil. It's not heavy on the lips, it's not sticky, and it just gives you like a pretty shine to the lips, so I really like it. And once that was done, it's time to set it and forget it with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that completes the look, you guys. Those were all of the products that I got on my July Boxycharm box, what I thought of them, my review, my application of them, how I've been using them, and that is how I created this look. Something pretty simple, not too over the top, and I hope you liked it. Let me know if you did in that comment section down below, and if you have any suggestions for future videos as well. And if you did like it, also don't forget to hit that like button underneath before you leave, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for being here. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you right here on the next one. Bye guys!